Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, another late unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box. Sana hindi kayo magsawa sa unboxing natin. But anyways, this is late unboxing again. I am busy. Being a mom is very you have to manage the time. But anyways, another lead unboxing for my monthly subscription beauty box. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Christine, and if you want to see more random videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. So today we're gonna do an unboxing for my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. Again, it's July already, July 3rd. It's late unboxing already. But anyway, this is what it looks like, the packaging of Ipsy Glam bag. This is what it looks like, guys. We're gonna do an unboxing real quick for this Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. So first, we got this cute double brush. The other side is blush and highlighter brush. I think this is for blush and this is for highlighter. How cool! So cool, and the color is so nice, like shiny blue color. So that's the first one. Second is we got these two face masks. Oh, I love face masks. One of my favorite when it comes to skincare is face masks. So we got two face masks that we can try onto our skincare routine. Pomegranate and kiwi. So yay, I cannot wait to try that to my skincare. And we got this cute paperwork that they always put into the packaging, and super cute pouch for the month of June. Really cute packaging. First is we got this Benefit Professional Super Setting. It's a setting spray. Super cute bottle of setting spray. Really tiny baby setting spray from Benefit Cosmetics. Oh, for hair and scalp mask for our hair. It says straightening hair and scalp mask. Oh, I cannot wait. I love hair products. Yay. So this is what it looks like, guys. Super cute packaging too. And last one is this Glam Premium Foaming Cleanser. Green packaging. It's a foaming cleanser. So yeah, I don't have to buy any facial cleanser because we got a new foaming facial cleanser that we can try onto our face. Alright, that's it for today's late unboxing for my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of June. Everyone, again, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I do upload a new video. Bye everyone. Bye.